Alright, welcome to another segment with Dave and myself. And today we're going to talk about regenerating your teeth. Some of you got cavities. Some of you, are going to a dentist and they've been just doing a botch job on you. Cutting this and pulling that out, and they want to put a titanium thing in there or a plastic thing, and and it gets expensive, and they want to take 10, 20 years to do this because they got to keep making their money on you, and it gets to be a pain in the ass. Alright, this is a discovery, actually a consortium of sorts, is discovery. A group of us that got together and said, we got to do something about our teeth. And so we came up with this TriSodium Phosphate. In Canada, it's called, I can't even say it in French. What the heck does it say here? It doesn't even say, what the heck. Anyway, all-purpose, that's not it. TriSodium Phosphate.
Doesn't say it under the PTS?
PS? Yeah, but this is
right here.
Oh! No, it's just the same thing. It just says what this says here. All-purpose heavy-duty cleaner.
Oh.
What kind of... They didn't even do the thing French right. What the hell's wrong with these guys? French should complain about this.
That's a separate video.
Okay. All right. That's not bilingual. That's what they did. They did it backwards. They put TSB here, and in French they put PTS. Why don't I just... Anyway, TriSodium Phosphate. Now, when you order this stuff, make sure it's TriSodium Phosphate, not something called TSB. Now, what you're going to use is a tablespoon. You're going to use, usually we use about 24 ounces, but you can go more. Now, what we're going to do, so you're going to say, you're going to actually use that stuff? Yeah. Salt. That's salt. That's salt yourself, remember that? Okay. Now what we're going to do, I was going to say, well, doesn't Armor Hammer have aluminum in it? Last I checked, no. Alright. So you can do your own research on it and you may find that that's not the case. Alright, TriSodium Phosphate. What we're going to do is we're going to add 2 teaspoons. Now I'm going to guesstimate here because I don't have a teaspoon. But that's going to be close to 2 teaspoons. Oh, hey, that one they're pretty good. I didn't miss. Oh, okay. Sometimes that happens. Oops, I missed. Alright. Now what am I going to do? Scoop it out like that. Ah. Now, 2 teaspoons. 2 teaspoons. Okay. Of TriSodium Phosphate. You're going to get 6 tablespoons of baking soda. Oh shit! I knew I was going to miss. Wasn't supposed to say that.
That's awesome. I love it when it slips.
Okay. All right. Now, if you make a mistake like I did, use your whatever vernacular that comes out of you, but just keep on going. So anyway, it's 4, 5, 6. I'm going to use one more. So I spilled probably half of that one. Okay, now let's try this again. Get in there.
Where's your magic chopstick when you need it?
Yeah, well, there it is, right there. Oh, don't even see that. I mentioned chopstick, I got scared.
Yeah.
All right. There you go. Mix the two together. And then, now you will see results usually in about 10 days, it'll start. And we've already had people using it, and some people have told us their teeth gotten whiter. Their teeth have gotten tighter. How many more gals have got loose teeth? Okay, because you've got nanoparticles in your gum, and you got crystals in your gum, and you got fibers in your gum. There was a woman named Gwen Scott years ago came up with a thing with grape juice, and genius, pure genius. She was one of the progenitors that initiated the whole Morgellon, what was going on. Anyway, this will also do the same thing. Now I'm going to put this. That's only 16 ounces. Crap! I should have got a bigger jar. Usually we use 24 ounces. This will be strong. Hey, I got it in there. Hey, right at the, almost at the bottom. Okay. Usually we use 24 ounces, but for the example, and then you can use 16 if you wish. It's your formula. Okay. I'm gonna put the lid. Aha. Then give it a shake. Dissolve it all. And you know what I forgot is a cup. Okay. And then what you do, leave it in your sink or around in your bathroom, whatever. What you just pour about so much in a glass. You can also put, if you want to put some tap water in there, you can, or whatever water you want to use. And what you do is put it in your mouth and do not drink it. What you do is you're forcing the solution between the teeth, and you're sucking and pushing. Sucking, and do it several times and spit it out and repeat the process. Do it for about 2 or 3 minutes, up to 5 minutes. And you're going to find that you might see tiny little black specks come out. Might even see fibers come out. You might see trapped food come out. You might see Elvis come out. No, I'm just I can throw it in just to make sure everyone's paying attention.
I love it.
All right. Point is, you will start seeing this, and all of a sudden you'll start seeing strength in your teeth. Now, the one bonus that we saw was cavities actually started to reverse. Deep cavities started going back to normal. And I had a hole in one tooth, and it's starting to seal. So you may find the same thing may be going on with you.
So is this a cleaning agent or is this a restorative?
Both. It will clean, and you don't
like, do the teeth restore themselves, or
well,
does this somehow build on top of?
No, it restores. What you have, the highest concentration of phosphorus is in your mouth, your teeth. Not the calcium, it's phosphorus. Phosphorus is what regulates the calcium in your mouth, and so does salt. They're alkalizing agents, actually. So when you put the sodium in there, the sodium allows for penetration, again, as per usual, and the phosphorus helps in the building. And you may find, a lot of you are going to find, cavities are going to start to disappear. Dentists are going to be really pissed off in this video, I can tell you that right now. But anyhow, you may find that it will have a restorative effect. Try it, you might like it. So, and that's all it is, just basically baking soda and TriSodium Phosphate. And put it together, rinse your mouth out every night. You can do it first thing in the morning if you like. If you've got some serious damage going on, do it several times in a day if you wish. And you will find that you'll feel like the teeth will be getting harder and tighter and firmer. Okay, and you'll start seeing the teeth get whiter. Okay, so this is something that might help you regenerate and repair the teeth. All right, and it will also help, in the same token, using a ascorbate mineral mix. You know, vitamin C, baking soda, a little TriSodium phosphate, magnesium citrate, potassium either citrate or potassium bicarbonate, a little zinc, some selenium, mix them together, bubble, bubble. We showed you how to make the ascorbic acid, and we'll mix it together and you drink it. That will reinvigorate the mineral content as well. So, and you add boron to it too, because boron is an amazing mineral. It's an intelligent mineral, just like iodine. So it can help increase your intelligence quotient. It regulates hormones. It brings the testosterone and the female hormones back in line. It amplifies the effect of magnesium, which is also in the teeth, bones, and nerves. Pretty good mineral. It's a helper mineral. So you got that, you got the phosphorus, you got the salt. Almost as a complete mineral element. Utilize it, drink it. You may find a lot of aches and pains as well, and your body will start to disappear. So, orally, you're drinking an ascorbate mineral solution. Orally, for cleaning, you're using the TriSodium phosphate and baking soda solution. So, and we have the ascorbate video up. They put it up already. So, go watch it and then do this. Put them together. See what you get. All right. Anything else, Dave?
It's good.
So the next segment from Dave and myself to your house.